Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are signed into the Google account that controls Safe Search. This matters because settings are account scoped. Once signed in, open Chrome and tap the three-dot menu, then Settings, or enter Chrome//Settings directly to save steps. Make sure to select Google Services or Search Settings inside Chrome. This is where Safe Search toggles live. Doing this first puts you precisely where the filter options appear and avoids wasting time changing unrelated device settings. Once in Search or Google Services settings, scroll to Safe Search or the Explicit Results control. This filter masks explicit content in search results. Tap the toggle to disable Safe Search so explicit results can appear, and then look for a Save or Apply button. Some versions autosave, others require confirmation. If prompted, confirm your Google account password to prove you are allowed to change this preference. Make sure to check both Chrome's built-in search settings and the Google app settings if you use both. Finish by refreshing active tabs and restarting Chrome to ensure the new setting propagates. If Safe Search stays on, verify account-level controls like Family Link or Supervised User Settings. Those override your toggle. If needed, sign out of Google and sign back in to force sync, and then recheck the search settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if a managed or school account is used, you cannot disable Safe Search. Switch to a personal account or contact the administrator to change the policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.